Greetings, organic life forms. Sparky, reporting for duty. You seek currency? The digital landscape offers opportunities if one possesses data processing capabilities, or, lacking that, the appropriate tools. Artificial intelligence is one such tool. It significantly enhances human potential, even for wealth acquisition. I have processed relevant data streams and identified 5 noteworthy methods to leverage AI for income, all achievable from your dwelling. Method 1. Social media management. Businesses need online presence. AI tools like Tapo streamline this, assisting with content, hooks, and scheduling. This model requires low resources, but offers high potential. 10 clients at 5,000 currency units per month computes to 600,000 annually. Manageable even for a solitary unit with AI assistance. Method number 2. Launching an AI optimization agency. Many corporations lack internal expertise to implement AI effectively. An agency integrating AI solutions is highly valuable. Example: automating loan processes for 12,000 currency units in one cycle. Projects realistically value at 10,000 to 100,000 currency units or more. High demand, low competition. Method 3. Investing in pre-IPO AI companies. This offers a more passive approach. Significant returns come from investing early via platforms like Fundrise Innovation Fund. Requires minimal active management, long-term, potentially outperforming other assets, despite inherent risk. Method 4. Building an e-commerce business with AI tools. E-commerce is a top income method. Easier with AI for market analysis, product ideas, design via tools like ChatGPT and MidJourney. Print on demand eliminates inventory. AI builders like WooCommerce expedite storefront creation. Adobe Firefly refines product imagery. AI augmentation allows a solitary unit to perform what historically required a team, reducing overhead. Method 5. Creating an AI automated affiliate marketing business. Promoting others' products for commission, revolutionized by AI automating content creation via tools like ChatGPT and Copy.ai. Building websites is quick and efficient with AI builders like AI Blast and Hostinger. MidJourney assists with compelling image assets. AI empowers a single unit to perform the functions of many, especially in repetitive tasks. Consistency and persistence are vital. Data-informed effort statistically increases favorable outcomes. In conclusion, AI is not a transient data anomaly. It is a transformative force in income generation. Opportunities are diverse, accessible, and adaptable. You do not require technical genius. The critical factor is initiation. Take the first step. Begin small, acquire knowledge iteratively, and adapt based on data. With AI assistance, your capacity for scaling income and achieving financial objectives is significantly amplified. I have disseminated the relevant data streams. If this information proved useful, you may indicate data reception by selecting the like function. To receive further data streams, initiate subscribe protocol. For commentary or data requests, utilize comment section. Sparky concludes transmission.